I'm a real night owl. I definitely found out about it probably like an odd hour in the morning, but I had never heard of D&AD before that point. It was on Craigslist, actually. I come from a very heavily art-oriented background, so being able to commit to something that would be creative, but also be under the guidance of actual professionals, there's no way I shouldn't be doing this. I work 2 blocks from Vice, so when I got the email, I was right there. It was a pleasant surprise. I liked the fact that it was somewhere I can associate with and I am familiar with. Visiting all the different agencies, seeing the work life, you get a whole different viewpoint, especially in an industry right now that I feel is evolving. Every single person we talked to was in a good place to be. It's so diverse and vast. Got a lot of insight I definitely would not have thought about or would have been able to glean if I had not been in this program. Shift has definitely given me a good foundation. I just want to be able to use what I've learned here and apply it.
The feeling is, I know what's happening, I know what's going on, I know how to maneuver this, so I'm not as lost as I was the first day. I'm still excited, but this is new knowledge.
Shift has definitely showed me that if you're willing to work for it, it can happen.